Hi guys, it's Martin here from Blackpool Automart, and what a stunning car we have for you today. This stunning Range Rover's just landed into stock. It's in a gorgeous smoky grey metallic, for want of a better word. It's got lovely gloss alloy wheels, black gloss alloy wheels, curb free, no marks on any of them. I've had a scoot around this car obviously before I'm doing the video, and I'm really struggling to find any faults with it, to be honest with you. Bodywork wise, it's in very nice order, and it's got some serious kit with it. It's even got a television, this car, which is fabulous. It's got the panoramic roof, the sunroof in the car as well too. It's got ivory leather, heated obviously, keyless entry. The list goes on and on. It's just an absolute stunning car, this, with the spec. And it does look the part, it looks really well. I'll just have another walk around it just to make sure I'm not missing anything. I'm trying to recreate you walking around the car, you as a customer walking around the car, to be honest, and that's what these videos try to depict. But obviously we sell all over the country and people can't just nip down and look at a car, I get that. So we do try and, like I say, recreate as if you was here walking around. That's the whole purpose of these videos. We've been doing these videos for many years. We feel it's the only way to present a vehicle, to be honest with you. Don't get me wrong, flat pictures are fine, but I don't think you get the feel of the car like you do with a video. You don't get a feel of the area where the car is. You can see our Automart dealer there, you can see our big Honda bikes dealer next door, you can see our Seat dealer next door to us. We're all part of the same group, Cox Motor Group, and across the road is our flagship Honda dealer. All our workshops are here on site: body shop, valet bays, Seat workshop, Honda workshop. So we're a big company. We've not just got these dealers here, we've got 10 others around the northwest. We're up as far up as Kendal. We have a Seat and a Honda dealer in Kendal. Kendal Honda is part of Cox Motor Group, that's our parent company, COX. We've got dealers in Wigan, Southport, obviously here at Blackpool, like I said, Kendal. We've got a Volkswagen dealer at Lancaster, and we've also got a Mitsubishi dealership at Morecambe as well. So we're not massive like a corporate company like your Marshalls of this world. We are privately owned, family run business, David Cox being the managing director, hence the website name coxmotorgroup.com. If you do want to venture on our website, you can always look at all our cars on there. You can look at this one in particular, and you can scroll down to the finance section. It can work out some finance details for you. And there's also a reservation option on our website for this car as well, as is for all our cars. It's just £100. It takes the car off sale, it reserves the car, stops anyone else from purchasing it, because this is the only one we have. It's only just landed in stock, so it is going to create a lot of interest. And if you are very interested in the car, I would strongly suggest you leave the very small in relation to the price of the car, small £100 deposit, and come down and view the car at your leisure, or have it delivered. We offer a delivery service as well. It's only £99 and it's anywhere in the UK. It's just the UK mainland, so we do offer from John O'Groats to Land's End. We can offer to get this car delivered to your place of work or your home address, whichever you prefer. Or if you're old-fashioned like me and you want to come and look at it, by all means give us a call, 01253 600 900. You do have to make an appointment at the moment. We just can't have 5 or 6 people turning up at the same time for obvious reasons. So if you'd make an appointment, you can get us on that number. Obviously bring your driver's license with you. If you have a part exchange, obviously come in that, so we can value that for you. And if you've got any money owing on your part exchange, if you could get that for us, because the finance company will only give it to the account holder, they won't give it to ourselves. And then we can work some numbers out. If you are a finance customer, we can work some numbers out for you. If you're not, happy days. It's a cash customer, you'll be fine. Again, we can still take your part X in. Again, we can take your part X in if you've got money owing on it. We'll settle your finance and start you off with a new agreement if you are a finance customer. Anyway, enough about the boring stuff about that. You want to look in the car. Let's get inside it and show you some of the features this car has, because they're truly lots of them. I'll just show you from outside to begin with. The pinging's obviously the keys are in the car, and the car is running at the moment. That's the initial cockpit view. There's your huge glass roof. It's got a blind as well that will come across in summer to stop any heat coming in the car, or reduce the heat coming in the car. Obviously, all sorts of electric contraptions on your driver's seat. Not black, these seats, they're an absolute very, very dark chocolate brown. They look really good with the ivory door cards and dashboard. There's the telly that's on at the moment. How good's that? When the car drives, obviously the telly goes off, but the passenger can still watch it. Believe you me, it's strange. If you jump in the passenger side, you can watch the telly from the screen, but if you look at it from the driver's side, it's obviously stationary now, that's why it's showing it. But as soon as you set off, the navigation comes on for the driver, and when you look at it from the passenger side, you've got the TV. I don't know how it does it, but it does. It's amazing, absolutely amazing. Right, let me jump in, it's just starting to rain. Oh. So there's the mileage, 70,504, which is nothing for something like this. A big diesel engine of one of these, they can go for 200,000 miles these with a blink of an eye, to be fair. All your gadgetries for your sunblind, your sunroof, etc. is up there in the roof. And you've obviously got your air conditioning, you've got your frost-free screen on one of these. If the screen ices up, you can see the elements in the glass there, the little lines. They heat up and they melt the ice instantly, so you've no messing around with a credit card trying to scrape the ice off your window in the morning, which absolutely does my head in. It's got memory seats. Obviously, if 2 or 3 people drive the car, after they've driven it, the seat's wrong, the steering wheel's wrong, just press your button and everything sets back to where you set it, which is handy. But you can have up to 3 people put their own settings in. You can do the same with the passenger side as well. It's got Meridian sound system, which if anyone knows about music and speaker systems in cars, it's up there with the best. The Harman Kardons and the Bose Meridian, they are very, very good. Range Rover have been using them for a long time. And just in the back, if I'll show you that, it's got heated seats in the back as well, as you can see. And those back seats have got obviously Isofix for child seats, and they don't even look like they've been sat in these seats at the back, to be honest with you. Wouldn't surprise me. Lovely, lovely, comfy seats, and armrests, lovely armrests. It's obviously got cruise control as well. You know, if this car hasn't got it, it's not been invented, to be honest. It's got a heated steering wheel as well. Obviously there's for answering your Bluetooth, your telephone. You get paddle change on your steering wheel in case you want to convert the car into a manual mode. You can easily do that. Just start changing gear up and down. Obviously no clutch, but you can change gear on the steering wheel. Auto lights, auto wipers. It's telling you what's on the TV. E4. Super clear picture that. It's fabulous. Obviously she's automatic, I don't think I need to tell you that. It comes with 2 keys, it's only showing 1 here, but we do have 2 keys for this vehicle. A couple of drinks holders. Nice super armrest. You've got a USB port in there, you need to charge your phone, and you've got an auxiliary output as well. That's a cooler box with a little switch there, so you can put some cans of pop in there or something and it will cool them down. It is a cooler box. That's it really. It's a nice car. Like I say, it's just into stock. Bodywork on the car is fabulous. For its age and its miles, you know, this car could pass for a 30,000-40,000 mile car this all day long. So yeah, super looking car. I do like this car, and it drives really well. It will be serviced by our Seat technicians. We do have a Land Rover technician working for us at the moment. He used to work at Land Rover, so he'll be servicing this car and MOT in the car if it's due. There's your different drive modes, your ice, your mud, gravel, etc. Electronic handbrake. That's your gear stick. There's your nice reverse camera. Nice colour screen. And then you've got your navigation. There's your navigation screen as well. Put it back to the television. Very clever. Very nice. Can't beat it. Sitting on the seafront with your sandwiches, watching a bit of telly in your car. Fabulous. Got a full book pack as well. Like I said, it's got 2 keys. 2 glove boxes in this. I think there's 1 here. And 2. Yeah, you get 2. Don't know why you get 2 glove boxes, but you do. There you go. That's the bottom one, that's the middle one. Right, I'll just turn her off. And I'll just finish off outside. Oh. Like I was saying to you earlier, we do offer great finance packages as well, and you can go onto our website at Cox Motor Group and find this car, scroll down to the finance section, and it'll talk you through the numbers, put in how long you want to take the finance over and what sort of deposit you want to put in, if any, or if your part exchange is coming in. There's also a section on our website to value your part exchange as well. But if you want to speak to a human being about all the things I've just mentioned, which is finance numbers, part exchange prices, that sort of thing, give us a call at the branch if you wish. 01253 600 900. Option 4 is Automart. My name's Martin Cook. I'm the sales manager here. So if you need any more information, give me a call. If you want another more personalised video, I can send one to your mobile phone. If you want me to look at anything specific on the car, we do that a lot for people when they want to look at certain things, boot size, that sort of stuff, tyre depths. And I'm just going to open the boot for you now. I didn't show you inside the boot earlier. Nice big boot. Spare wheel, proper spare wheel, not a wheelbarrow one. There you go, Range Rover Vogue diesel automatic SE. It's going to be available in the next couple of days once we've serviced it and gone through our 128-point safety check on the car and the mechanics have road tested and stuff. Like I said to you earlier, all our workshops are over there. I'll be going in the next couple of days. But what a bonny car this is. It's come from the Isle of Man, this car, which we do get a few cars from the Isle of Man. They tend to be in very good condition. There's no motorways over there or anything, so we tend to find that they are in excellent order, cars from the Isle of Man. Okay, so that's it. That's the Range Rover Vogue SE. It's in a lovely smoky grey colour. Full heated leather, sunroof, sat nav, heated steering wheel, TV, you name it, this car has got it, and it's done 70,500 miles. If you need any more info, give me a call, 01253 600 900. My name's Martin. It's been my pleasure to bring you this lovely Vogue SE today. Take care guys, stay safe, and hopefully we'll speak to you in the not too distant future. Thanks for viewing my video. Bye for now.